Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Roma and I'm a Mary Kay independent beauty consultant, but I will tell you over the last 10 years as a consultant, I have learned a lot about skin and skincare. So I want to share some of that knowledge with you. Yesterday we talked about solutions for dry skin, and today I wanted to talk about some solutions for oily skin. So some people don't know how to tell if their skin is dry or oily, but basically if it feels oily anywhere on your face, then you would have oily skin. If it's kind of in the T-zone or you have dry patches and oily patches on at the same time, that is called combination skin. So the solutions today are great for both. If you have combination skin, I would suggest using some things in the oilier sections that we're going to talk about today that's going to help you. First of all, with any skincare, it is important to make sure that your skin is balanced. It helps makeup to go on better, but number one priority is skin care. So we're going to talk about that first. We have some great solutions with Mary Kay, but basically the first step is to make sure that you are on a proper skincare system for your skin type. Our most popular skincare set with Mary Kay is our Miracle Set 3D. It is absolutely fantastic. It includes a cleanser, day cream, night cream, and eye cream, which is amazing. And you will know if you are on the right formula. If you have combination or oily skin, you want to have a purple stripe on the back of your products. Okay, so that tells you that you are using the formula that's good for your skin. Another solution, if you're not worried about fighting the signs of aging yet, is our Botanical Effects line, which is fabulous. It's designed for younger skin, which is typically oilier. But it's got some really great products in the lineup that really help our skin. So it has a cleansing gel, which is nice because it's less creamy, less heavy feeling because it is a gel. It has a scrub, revitalizing scrub. So this is a great exfoliation product to use in the shower. I use it on occasion. It is delightful. It's not overly scratchy at all. It's nice and gentle, but it does leave your skin feeling extra smooth and clean, which is awesome. There is a refreshing toner to use, and that really helps with oil production as well. So using a toner is a great addition to any skincare line. And then we've got a moisturizing gel. So this is really great because, again, instead of a creamy product that might feel heavy, it's actually a gel formula. So it goes on nice and light. It actually dries so that there's no residue feeling or anything. And it continues to hydrate that skin even though it's not a cream, which is really nice. The whole set smells like dragon fruit and aloe extract, which is what it's based on, so it's got a delicious smell. Just to back up a minute, just so you know, all of our Mary Kay skincare lines can be used together with other skincare lines with Mary Kay, so you can kind of mix and match what needs, what you might have need for. So if you're on the 3D Miracle set, but you feel like you want to add a step to control some oil, great option is to add a toner. We've got a refreshing toner, which is nice and light and gentle, and then excuse me, we have our Clear Proof Blemish Control Toner. This is really great at reducing that extra oil. Another thing about oil production is that your skin actually produces more oil if it is not being moisturized properly or is dried out. So it actually overreacts and produces oil to try to balance that skin out. So it's really important to continue to use a moisturizer with your skincare set. And then we've got some other products as well that I would recommend for some oily skin, just to balance them out so that you're not overproducing the oil. We do have our Moisture Renewing Gel Mask. It is absolutely delightful. It won't make your skin feel greasy or heavy. It's just going to make it feel soft and supple. I would say once in a while, use it on your skin just to boost your moisture level so that that is not overproducing oil. Another great option, this is my second favorite Mary Kay product of all time. It's our charcoal mask, which is amazing. It's a deep cleansing charcoal mask. How activated charcoal works is it actually draws out its weight in impurities from your skin. So as it sits on your face, you want to kind of put a significant layer on. You want to layer it on fairly thick. It's going to actually draw out oil and any other impurities in your pores, which is amazing. What I find when I use this is that my skin is more matte for about 2 or 3 days afterwards, and it's actually got more of an even tone. There's some other botanicals in there, so it does extra goodness for your skin. One of those being the navy bean extract, which evens out your skin tone, which is great. Okay, so that's sort of the skincare side of it. Then we've got some solutions that are ideal for oil specifically. I don't know if you know this, but we actually carry an oil mattifier. This is an amazing product. You would actually want to use this after your moisturizer. It is a lotion. It's a very, very thin lotion. Essentially what it does is when it's on your face, it soaks up its weight in oil. So it's keeping the oil off of your face and mattifying it. Sounds so weird. Keep in mind, we do have a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can totally try it. If it doesn't work, you can return it. No, nothing wasted, nothing harmed, but it is an amazing product. Definitely recommend that for oily skin. I do use it in the summer because it does add that extra mattification. I also recommend a foundation primer. A foundation primer is going to help your skin, your foundation stay longer and stick better. So if you have oilier skin, you don't have to worry about your foundation running off your face. All of our Mary Kay foundations are actually heat, humidity, and transfer resistant, so they shouldn't be moving off of your face. They shouldn't be sliding around, but definitely our foundation primer will help with that. And then I would recommend one of 3 foundation types that we have. This is my favorite. It's a liquid foundation. It's full coverage, and it's in a matte formula, so it does mattify your skin a little bit. It is absolutely incredible. It's actually waterproof, which is amazing. So it is not going anywhere. It's also very sheer, so it doesn't feel heavy. You actually do not feel like you have any product on. You essentially want to do a very light layer. Let it dry. If you want more coverage, you can do another layer. It's but made to be buildable, so it still won't feel heavy, which is amazing. We do have a powder foundation, super easy to use. Just brush it on like a powder. It is going to protect your skin, just like all of our foundations, which is really important, but it's going to give you that matte finish because it is a powder. And then we have our creme to powder. So these would go on with the sponge, dries to a powdery finish. Great as well for oilier skin. You may want to finish off your skin, your foundation, with some translucent loose powder, and you can reapply our translucent loose powder throughout the day. We also have a pressed powder. You would have to match your color for that, but basically it will go on. You just brush it over your foundation, so it will soak up any additional oils. The translucent loose powder is white. It does go clear on your skin, but it's going to absorb some of those extra oils as well. Just some other tips as well for products to keep your makeup in place. It's important to continue to use primers, so you might want to use an eye primer with your eyeshadow. We actually have a lash primer, which is great with your mascara on the top and bottom, because sometimes those oils sit right here, or some moisture gets here, and then it causes that smudginess. So a lash primer, you can actually use this before your mascara, but you can also put it on after your mascara to kind of seal that in so you won't get that smudgy effect. And then of course we've got our makeup finishing spray, which is incredible. It will freeze your look for 16 hours, is what it's designed to do. It's awesome. I do find after I use it, there is a bit of a sheen on my face. And because I have oilier skin, I don't like that sheen. So I have found that if I apply just a little bit of translucent loose powder on top of the makeup finishing spray, it kind of takes that and dulls that down. So there you have it. That was a lot of information, but I'll tell you that when you have oily skin, you look for any information that you can get or any products that you can get to help with that. So I wish you all the best. If you have any questions or product information that you would like, just message me. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks for joining me today.